In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use Affirm at checkout. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. Inside of the Affirm mobile app on your phone or the Affirm website at www.affirm.com, you will be able to browse through the stores where Affirm is accepted as a payment method and possibly use Affirm during the checkout process. To see if a store is eligible for Affirm during checkout, all you have to do is look up the store name at the search bar and it should pop up immediately. As you can see, if I select Amazon from the list, it's going to give us instructions on how to use Affirm. As you can see for Amazon, all we have to do is select Affirm at checkout. So if I were to be redirected to the Amazon website, go into my cart and proceed to checkout, you will notice that Affirm will be listed under the payment methods. As you can see, here it is, payment plans. So in this case, we can use Affirm during checkout. Another store that also accepts Affirm at checkout is Gold, for example. As you can notice, the steps are exactly the same. When you're done shopping, just select Affirm at checkout. And here it is. During the payment window, we can select Affirm. However, for some stores, this might not be the case. Depending on which store you pick, you are going to have to request a virtual card, which is something you have to do through the mobile app. So all you have to do to use Affirm at checkout is to find stores that accept Affirm during the payment process. As long as you select one of the stores that accept Affirm as a payment method like Amazon or Goat, you will be able to use Affirm at checkout. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Affirm at checkout. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.